Welcome! Okay, so welcome to high protein, gluten-free, dairy-free, packed with flavor, lasagna.
This is easy to make, incredibly tasty, and so well worth making. We're going to use the secret ingredients, so stay tuned to see what it is.
Note, lasagna can have quite a few components to it. Three main primarily, so being organized is very important. We've got the tomato sauce, we've got the white bechamel sauce, and then we've got the lasagna sheets.
Okay, first step, we got a frying pan or saucepan on high heat. Once we're happy it's hot, we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
First step, we're going to add our finely diced onions. We're using red onions. Use whatever onion you have. I've chopped them nice and small.
So I've got half a red chili. Obviously, if you don't like it, leave it out. And we're going to just finely slice that and we're going to add that in. Okay, traditionally in a tomato sauce in Italy would be a sofrito. So it would be onion, garlic, carrot and celery. We're going to leave the celery, but grate your carrots, release, increase the surface area so we can get more of that sweet juiciness out. So.
Garlic's a key component. We've got 1 clove of garlic, quite a large clove. I've finely sliced it. We're adding it a little later because we don't want it to burn, because burnt garlic goes a bit acidic. So we're adding it now and we're just going to blend it in right through it, cook it through it.
One of the secrets to making any dish high in protein is to reduce the
non-high protein foods and really choose caringly. Like in this case, we're going to use lentils and we're going to use walnuts, and we're using lots of them because these are higher in protein and we don't want to dilute them down with lower protein foods.
So I'm going to use 100 grams of walnuts and I'm going to chop these up, and these are going to end up they'll look a little like minced meat, but they'll have a slight little bit of bite. They're wonderful, they go great, and there's a lovely texture to them in true bolognese. So we've 1 400-gram tin of cooked lentils. We drained and gave them a rinse, and we're going to add them in. They've got a good protein content as well as a nice bite to them. This is a tomato that was dried in the sun, hence the name a sun-dried tomato. So we have a handful of these, about 5 or 6 of them, and I'm just finely diced them until they're little small pieces. So our protein mince is done. I'm going to add in 1 jar of passata, that's 680 grams, or you could add 2 tins of chopped tomatoes.
What is passata, Steve?
It's like a finely sieved, smooth tomato sauce. So in honor of Popeye and to help get more nutrition in, we have a 4-acre organic regenerative farm, and this is spinach. And you don't need a farm for this, but you do need some spinach. So we went with about, that was a crap joke, but we do about 50 grams of spinach that we're just adding in. It's going to wilt down, and it's just going to add more colour, more nutrition,
vitality,
and it will add protein to it too.
Like, check it out, like it looks sensational. Like this looks like such a meaty bolognese, and this is a high protein bolognese that tastes amazing. Okay, now we're going to level it up. We're adding 2 fantastic flavor agents.
It's the thing that takes good cooking to great cooking is to season it, and seasoning, the whole base of seasoning is to taste it and to trust your palate. So how we're going to season this is we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and then I have 2 tablespoons of tamari. This epitomizes that umami note. If you don't have tamari, you could use soy sauce. So going 2 tablespoons is just going to increase that deep, rich umami note.
Like, it tastes amazing. Like, that tomato sauce it's a taste sensation. It really is, it's beautiful.
And really important with a lasagna, you don't want your tomato sauce to be too runny, because you want it to be kind of reasonably tight, that when you cut it, the lasagna holds its shape and holds its body.
Okay, so now stage 2 of our high protein lasagna, we're gonna make a high protein bechamel. We're gonna base this on cashew nuts. And bechamel, you might wonder, what's a bechamel? It's just a white sauce. It's a rich, delicious white sauce that's synonymous with lasagna. This is obviously dairy-free. We're using cashew nuts. We've got 200 grams of cashew nuts. We're gonna add them to a blender.
Okay, next step, 400 ml of oat milk or plant milk of choice. And if you don't have either, you could just use water.
I'm going in with a pinch of garlic powder.
Juice a half a lime.
I've got a pinch of black pepper. And if you have white pepper even better.
And finally, finish with a generous pinch of salt. We're gonna blend that till smooth. Give it time. You want this to be silky smooth. Final, I nearly forgot it. We're gonna go with 50 ml of olive oil or neutral tasting oil. This is gonna emulsify and make it more creamy, more indulgent. If you do want it more creamy, add more oil, but we wanna keep this higher in protein and lower in fat. So we're gonna add in about 50 ml of olive oil.
Okay, boom, it's ready. Look, check this out for delicious. Look at that. Yum, smooth.
Often the measure of a bechamel sauce, if it's ready, if you can pour it in the back of a spoon, and I can run my finger across the back and it doesn't fill.
Okay, the secret ingredient to our high protein lasagna is high protein tofu sheets.
Okay, yeah, so you'll be able to get this in most Asian supermarkets.
Or ethnic international supermarkets. The amazing thing about this is you've got 30 grams of protein per 100. So it is super high in protein and it's pretty much just compressed tofu that literally looks like paper strips. So it's perfect for lasagna. It's like cloth, like you could make a jacket out of it.
And the beautiful thing is I can literally cut this to the size of my dish, so it's just easy. Because often with lasagna sheets, it's fiddly and you gotta snap them off. I'm literally gonna chop this to the size of the tray, chop two layers, or you want three?
Three. Like a sandwich, a triple decker sandwich. Step 3 of our lasagna, we're now gonna put it all together. So this is literally the layering game. We've got a 25 centimeter by 18 centimeter little lasagna tray. Obviously use whatever lasagna tray you have, just make sure it's oven proof.
So start first by putting a small amount of bechamel on the bottom, just so it doesn't stick. I have tried up possibly 100,000 lasagnas.
Not 100,000, I'd say.
A lot. We sell a lot of lasagna in the cafe, and never once have I had one sheet that just covers it all. You're always fiddling around with it and snapping it, and it doesn't. So this is beautiful. Okay, we've got half our sauce going in now. Okay, next sheet on top. Snug fit again. Go with a good bit, loads of it.
Okay, now we're gonna pop in the rest of the tomato sauce.
This is a big boy lasagna. Oh, it's creamy. Okay, final layer of pasta or tofu. Then we're gonna finish it off with our bechamel and go generous, like pop it all on. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a wonderful idea. And look at it, like just to show you how solid this is. This is a sturdy lasagna packed full of protein, packed full of flavor and packed full of plant diversity.
Yeah, this is really good. This ticks all the boxes. This is whole food, it's high in protein, dairy-free, gluten-free, and high in protein.
And packed full of flavor. So we've preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We're gonna bake this for about 15-20 minutes, just until it goes golden and crispy.
Everything is cooked in it, so we're literally just baking it so that it all comes together. More of the bechamel will evaporate and it'll condense and become even more flavorful.
And the tofu sheets are a little bit rubbery when uncooked like this, so by cooking them in this moisture, they're going to be soft, they're going to be gooey and just perfect. So we baked it for 25 minutes until it's crispy, caramelized, looking beautiful on the top. Okay, time.
This is very exciting, genuinely.
Oh, wow, look at that for pretty cool.
There we go, high protein lasagna. Easy, simple, delicious. Do you know what it smells like? Smells like games, woo! No, this is great, that was a joke. But it does smell fantastic, and the top tip here from having cut thousands of trays of lasagna, because we sell it a lot in our cafe and have done over the last 20 years, is use the scissors, because it makes sure that it just makes sure as you go through all the lasagna sheets.
Oh, creamy.
Woo! Look at all that, woo!
This is a beautiful lasagna, presents magnificently, and
as we said, it ticks all the boxes. This is dairy-free, gluten-free, high in protein, and made with real whole foods.
And packed full of flavor. Why do you taste it? It's epic. Here we go. Oh, smells like muscle growth.
Wow!
It's actually, that cashew cream is beautiful. It's actually really light and gentle and creamy like that.
My kids are gonna love this.
That is beautiful.
Our bag's taking this home.
No.
This is yum.
Super tasty. There you have it, a high protein, gluten-free lasagna that is packed full of flavor and based on real foods.
The biggest thing here that it's like it's real authentic foods, and we've naturally got foods that are high in protein. As we said, the game changer here and the key ingredient, which you will be able to get in Asian supermarkets or international themed supermarkets, is the tofu sheets. They really are fantastic, well worth seeking out.
30% protein.
Let us know what you think. This is a delicious recipe. We've got tons of recipes on our recipe club. So do check that. We'll put a link to that. That's on our app where we've got heading towards 1,000 recipes, all based around whole plant foods, because we've been doing this for 20 years.
And they're all to support you to get healthier and ultimately to be happier. Thanks a lot for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this, and loads of love.
Cheers.
Bye.